So moving along in our video series with regards to disability tax credits, we've already talked about who's eligible for the credit, how you apply for the credit, how you make sure you're entitled to all your tax credits and refunds from approval date and prior years. We're now going to talk about how to prepare your tax return for the upcoming years. And there's a few scenarios where the credit can be used. The main ones are you claiming it yourself as an adult, and then you claiming it and then not using it and transferring it to a spouse. And then there's the scenario that your child is eligible for the disability tax credit, but they don't fully utilize it, and what we do with the leftover credits. And then we can also talk about family members that might live with you and you financially support that have the credit that we can transfer to another family member as well. So we're just going to focus right now on you as an adult have the disability tax credit and you're filing your upcoming income tax return. How does it look on your tax return? So the first thing to do is the credit is split between a federal credit and a provincial credit. And each province regulates this on their own. So depending what province you're on, the rules with regards to disability tax credits is different. So we're going to talk in general, and we won't get into the details of the amount because it varies. So for the maximum amount federally in 2019 is 8,460 available tax credits. Now, this number will inflate, and if this video is now dated because it's not 2019 anymore, just Google it on the CRA website. It does inflate, and you can easily find what the maximum amount is for whatever the current tax year is. So you fill out the worksheet that goes with Schedule 1. Schedule 1 being the credits that you're entitled to federally. So once you have that amount, it gets entered on line 316 of your Schedule 1. Then you need to figure out what the entitlement is in your province of residence. So again, you fill out the worksheet that accompanies your provincial sheet, and in Saskatchewan, the summary sheet for credits is Form 428. And every province, it'll be, if you're in Saskatchewan, SK 428. If you're in Ontario, it's ON 428. And that's the form that the amount goes on for the provincial credit. And that's essentially all you need to do. So you're in a situation where you have enough income to fully utilize the tax credits. It goes on those two spots, one federal, one provincial, and you now are entitled to extra tax savings or tax refunds over and above what your tax return would have looked like in the previous year.